Odhiambo meno gae mar riwruok mar Okinde LSK okwayo riwruoge mag oganda mag pinje maoko mondo tim nonro matut kaluwore gi monj mag oganda maliekore ni ne otim e gwenge mag Githurai e kaunti ma Nairobi otieno mane piny orugo kawuono.
We call upon the international community to conduct independent investigations on the massacre meted on the residents of Githurai area, Nairobi, in the night of 25th June 2024. I dare ask, is Githurai a protected area? Is Githurai an area that members of the public should not stay, should not live? Why was there a massacre where people are living peacefully? We demand answers to those questions, and that's why we are demanding the international community to have independent investigations done. Yesterday, the internet was down. People could not communicate, but from social media, people have been saying that about over 100 people were killed yesterday. And so we cannot allow those lives to go uncounted, that the people who have caused those deaths to be held accountable.